Alright friends, now we will multiply the elements of two matrices. We multiply the elements at the same row and same column position. The result is stored in a third matrix. So it's similar to the addition, but we multiply instead of adding. Let's do that. I defined two matrices, and then what I need to do, I need to calculate their product. So I come here, I define product matrix. Okay. And then what I need to do, I need to calculate this. I come here, I copy this and I paste it. And then what I need to do, I need to multiply each element at the same row and same column position. So these expressions give me that. Okay. After that, I print product matrix. I already did it in our previous lesson. So I print using this for loop. Alright. So I save it. I run it. You see, I calculate their multiplication. 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 5, 15. It continues like that. I calculated correctly. Super.